Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on all things practical and parent-approved. Today, we're spotlighting a product that many parents are calling the best toddler sippy cup spill-proof. The NUK Sesame Street Hard Spout Cup, 10 ounces, 2-pack. Let's jump right in and see what makes this little cup such a big win for toddlers and their caregivers alike. This 2-pack from NUK immediately charms with its adorable Sesame Street design. Kids will love seeing familiar faces like Elmo and Cookie Monster. But it's more than just cute, it's engineered for practicality. The ergonomic shape of these cups is specifically designed for little hands. Whether your toddler is just transitioning from a bottle or already familiar with holding their own cup, the grip feels natural and comfortable. That independence goes a long way in encouraging self-feeding and developing motor skills. One standout feature is the hard spout. It's bite-resistant. And if you've got a teething toddler, you know how important that is. No matter how many times those little teeth go to work, the spout holds up. No rips, no tears, just durable performance. Now let's talk about what every parent is worried about: mess. The NUK Sesame Street Cup is 100% leak-proof and spill-proof, and that's not just a marketing line. Even when we shook it, turned it upside down, and dropped it from toddler height, it held its own. The built-in flow control valve is the unsung hero here. It allows your child to drink effortlessly while keeping leaks completely at bay. Cleaning is also hassle-free. The valve is easy to remove and wash, and the entire cup is top-rack dishwasher safe. It's BPA-free too, which gives you peace of mind that it's safe for daily use. That's essential when you're using it every single day. At 10 ounces, it holds just the right amount for hydration without being too heavy. And because it's made of break-resistant plastic, it's built to last through drops, tumbles, and enthusiastic play sessions. Based on design, functionality, safety, and overall ease of use, it absolutely earns that title. At an affordable price point and with a 2-pack offering, this is a must-have in your toddler toolkit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more parent-friendly product reviews every week. Until next time, happy parenting and fewer spills.